everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1965 Chevrolet Malibu. Nice car, guys. Kind of a funny story here. Took this car in on trade from a gentleman out of Illinois. Traded it in on a 65 Sierra Gold SS Malibu. Neat car, good car. He bought the car out of Georgia. Car had spent all of its life down there. He like I say, traded it in on a big block Malibu, which is actually what he was going to do. It's got a small block 327 in it, Muncie 4-speed. So we saved him the time. We did some trading with him, but really clean car, good, solid, straight car, good guy. Matter of fact, it's kind of funny. These wheels were on my other car. We swapped out his wheels, and I kept my wheels as well. But neat car, factory Sierra, Sierra Tan or Sierra Gold, can't remember the exact wording they give you. Factory tinted glass. Again, it's got a 327, good running 327 in it, Muncie 4-speed. Nice car. Of course, I swapped out. It's got the redline radials on it with the rally wheels and flat caps. Neat car. Good running and driving car. Just a rock solid body. I like it. I really dig the car. I was excited to get it. Pretty paint on this car. There's a couple little marks that you can nitpick. It's got some touch-up marks on it, but it's slick. Little things like that. Again, it's a 3-year-old body-up restoration. Chrome's got a few little marks on it. Shows a little wear on it in little places, but nice. And the car really hits the road good. Glass is nice, again, factory tinted glass. The only thing we couldn't get on the car to wipe was the wipers, and get on the car to work was the wipers. And everything's hooked up. I'll be shocked if it's not a fuse or just a connection or something. I'll tell you what, the doors open and close real nice on the car. Real pretty paint. I like the car a lot. And it's the kind of car that you can just get in and turn the key and go. I mean, it really is a good car. There's not a whole lot that, like I say, I really can nitpick on it. You're looking at little stuff like this, some fading on the bezels. Other than that, just a really good car. It's still got the original dealership emblem on it. He said he bought the car a year ago, and like I say, he was gonna. Sorry, a little dust there. He was gonna put a big block in it, but we ended up doing some horse trading. Good car. Like I say, I'll put the wheels and tires on. You can see how nice and straight it is down the sides. A couple little marks on the bumper. Nice and clean. The floors are nice. I believe the car's got all the original body panels on it. Really good little car. It's got the Silvertown radials on it, rally wheels. Sorry guys, just a second. 66, it's a 66 model, 327 block, 300 horse, 4-barrel, stock intake, does have a set of headers on it. You can see it's got power steering, it's got the manual drum brakes, it's got the dual snorkel air cleaner on it, finned aluminum valve covers. Again, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. See, the car's got pretty paint on it. Bunch of new stuff just arrived, guys. We've been paying attention to our social media pages. Got a ton of cars that just got here. I'll do my best to try to get them advertised as quick as I can. Again, we're really short-staffed right now, so it's a little tough. Couple little marks on the A-pillar chrome, but that's pretty darn nice. Glass is nice. Mirrors look good. Door handles look good. And like I say, the doors open and close real nice. You can see it's got new door rubbers on it. Good solid body, guys. Nice clean car. I ordered the new Malibu floor mats for it. Factory bench seat car. It's got the reverse lockout correct shifter for the car. Looks like it's got all the original seat belts in it. Headliner's really nice. Steering wheel, saw a couple little cracks in it. Nice car. I asked him about the miles. He wasn't really sure. Showing 54,000. I wouldn't be surprised if that's not the right miles for this car. AM radio, I don't think it works. I know the blower motor works, parking brake works. It's got a good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system in its H-pipe. It does have the removable dumps. You can see how clean that car is. It's got the old Goodyear bias ply spare with the jack. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. 10 bolt with a stock gear. He said it's I think he said 308. Oh, come on. There we go. Got it up on the hoist. Got you some pictures of the bottom of the car. Just a good clean car. If you're looking for a nice driver, man, I think that's exactly what this car is going to be for somebody. Neat body style too. I like this body. Matter of fact, one of his buddies we got to talking about, he had a car. I had a convertible, if you remember, not too long ago that was Evening Orchid, which is a pretty rare color. And he bought that exact same car I had brand new. Seats are nice. Good car, man. I like it. You can go ahead and fire it up, Nathan. It's got a good sound to it. I think you guys will like it when he fires it up here. Sorry, guys, a little dust on the mirror. What's up with my Michigan camera? It's not used to all this sun. Nice little cam to it. Yeah, I like this car, man. Got a really good sound. Real good look to it. That color pops on this car. Fuel gauge works. I don't think the clock in there works. Again, the parking brake does work. All your lights work, even your backup lights. Like I say, we'll check on those wipers. I'll bet you it's going to be just either a connection or something. That's a nice car right there. Again, blower motor works, radio does not work. See how nice those doors close? We'll check on the wipers. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. There should be a little button right now that you can click on. That way you can get a notification every single time I post one of these videos. Or again, you can do it the old-fashioned way. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Well, I like that car, man. That car's got a real good look, man. Sounds good. Nathan's like a proud papa, man. He detailed this one up for me. Have a great day, guys.